Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home, and I hope that you are doing practice for the numericals and you are doing topics properly. So today we will continue with the some numericals related to that kinetic energy. Earlier we have done numericals from your NCERT. Today we are going to do different numericals which are related to kinetic energy only, but they used to come in CBSE exams. The first one is show that kinetic energy is equal to P square upon 2m. What is P? P is the momentum. What is P here? P is the momentum. So we have to do this derivation. So before starting these two numericals, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. So let's start. What is this kinetic energy? P is momentum. P is linear momentum. M is the mass of the body. K is the kinetic energy of the body. We have to derive the relation between them. So we know that momentum is given by the formula product of mass and velocity. So from here find out the velocity value. So what we will get from here, P upon M is V. So we have got velocity value. What is kinetic energy formula? Kinetic energy is given by formula half mv square. Now in this formula we will substitute this velocity. So what is kinetic energy? Half m. What is v? Because we are comparing momentum and kinetic energy, that's why we are calculating in this term. P upon m whole square. It's clear? So half m into p square. So m into m. I am not writing m square, I am separating writing them. And m cancel out. So we have got kinetic energy is equal to P square upon 2m. It's very simple, but sometimes in numericals like velocity is given, yeah, momentum is given. So they used to say ki this is the momentum of the moving body, find out, and this is the mass, calculate its kinetic energy. So instead of solving this derivation, we can directly use this formula ki kinetic energy is equal to P square upon 2m. So I have proved how this come. P is the momentum, P is equal to mv, product of mass and velocity. Calculate velocity value from here and substitute in the kinetic energy formula, and you will get kinetic energy is P square upon 2m. You can learn this formula also ki momentum and kinetic energy are related by this formula. Now let's come to the second question. Two bodies of same mass. What is same? Their masses are same. Start from rest and move with velocities v and 2v respectively. Means the first body have velocity v and second body have velocity 2v and their masses are same. What we have to calculate? Find their ratio of their kinetic energy. So we will write m1 is m2 is equal to m, because it is given. दोनों bodies का mass क्या दिया हुआ है? Same दिया हुआ है. और what is the velocity of first body? Velocity of first body is given v, and what is the velocity of second body? That is given 2v. So let kinetic energy of first body is equal to kinetic energy first. Kinetic energy of second body is equal to kinetic energy second. We have to calculate their ratio. So kinetic energy 1 upon kinetic energy second. What is the formula for this? Half m. Mass is given m, v square. What is the velocity of the first body? V. So we will substitute it directly. Again kinetic energy of second body we will directly. Up separate you can calculate and then you can divide them. I am doing directly. So half, again second body mass is same. What is the velocity of second body? 2v whole square. So this will cancel out, this will cancel out. You will get v square upon 4. 1 into v square upon 4 into v square. So v square and v square cancel out. So we will get, it is the ratio of 1:4. Means whenever the bodies have their masses same and they have different velocities, so their kinetic energy relation we can calculate. Similarly, we can do other questions also in which sometimes they will give you same kinetic energy and they will say to you ki find out ratios of their velocity. So whenever this is same, we will substitute the values on this side same, then automatically this side will come. So means in exam you have to put by yourself these values. Do practice for this. Thank you and have a nice day.